Did you know how you cook your food can make or break its health benefits? Today we're diving into simple techniques that help you preserve nutrients and cut back on unhealthy fats, so you get the most out of every bite. To preserve nutrients and don't cook them away, like vitamin C and B complex, they're heat sensitive and water soluble. So how you cook them matters. Steam, microwave, or roast veggies instead of boiling them. These methods lock in nutrients and flavor. If you do boil, use the water in soups or stews to save the nutrients. Don't over peel. Many nutrients live in or just under the skin, especially in potatoes, apples, and carrots. Cut the unhealthy fats. Say no to the grease trap. Frying foods in oil, especially butter or shortening, adds saturated and trans fats that harm heart health. Want some better options? Grill, bake, roast, broil, steam, or air fry your foods. Use nonstick pans or small amounts of healthy oil, such as canola, olive, or avocado. And when sautéing, try a splash of low sodium or salt-free broth or lemon juice instead of heavy oils. Smart cooking isn't about cutting flavor, it's about boosting nutrition. Bake your salmon instead of pan frying it. Roast your veggies with herbs instead of drenching them in cheese. Choose lean cuts of meat and trim the visible fat. So remember, cook with care, choose the right method, keep the nutrients, skip the excess fats. Your kitchen can be your first line of defense for a healthy heart. Cook smart, eat strong, live heart healthy.